Okay, so this is just going to be a quick one, huh? Yeah. Try by all means to hide all the names and everything. Okay. Yeah. So, here's one interesting thing. Listen for yourself.
Yeah, so trading has I don't even know where I can start, but using this system has really, really helped out. I'm not going to lie. Everything that you've said in all your past videos that I've watched, it's like now this is when I've really gained that confidence to enter, get into trades, get whatever you're getting, you're out, just like that. Like I've reached the point where I'm now consistent in at least every time when I'm just patient because these patterns are repeating themselves over and over, over and over. I know the profit I have here is not that much, but looking at the fact that my account was very small and I wasn't confident, but now really starting to make progress. This profit I've made here was only done was that starting yesterday? Yes, from yesterday. And today I've been doing the same thing and the account is slowly, slowly just going up. So I'm really hoping very soon I'll keep having that confidence where I can hold for long. For example, like where that one where when you look at the market, it breaks a certain structure, and when the moving average changes color, even looking at the fact that it's coming from verified support or resistance, you actually go with the trend. That's something that I've been looking out for. And I don't really know how to say thank you, but I'll keep working at this and I'll keep showing you how far this small account is going to go. Oh yeah. And I'm only trading just two pairs. I'm only trading volatility 100 and volatility 100 one is. I don't know. I'm finding them easier to read. I don't know if that's the thing. I know this system can be used on everything, but I don't know why I'm finding it easier to come back to this too. So for me, it's working out though. Even when you look at my trading history there's just VIX 100, VIX 100 1S, VIX 100, just like that.
I believe there's another audio just loading up.
Oh yeah, and I'm only trading just two pairs. I'm only trading volatility 100 and volatility 100 1S. I don't know. I'm finding them easier to read. I don't know if that's the thing. I know this system can be used on everything, but I don't know why I'm finding it easier to come back to this too. So for me, it's working out though. Even when you look at my trading history there's just VIX 100, VIX 100 1S, VIX 100, just like that.
All right, so today, since we've covered up more on the structure, inches, and everything else. So now I just want to stress on one thing. The same thing this fellow is going through. I just want to stress on that. It's going to make sense if you're going to do this, and if you're going to start doing this. Study one pair. Yeah, so I would suggest you go with one pair. Reason being is each market has its different movement. It has its different margins. It has its different pip value. It's different from each other. It varies. So if you understand one pair and how it moves, because the market repeats itself over and over again, here's one thing I'm going to put in mind. It repeats itself. So now, if you look at the market structure, personally for me, what I look at and what I look for is how trendy the market is, especially on the lower time frames. Like as you can see right here, on volatility 100 one is, you can see that the 1 minute time frame, it doesn't really range that much. It trends. So you have to look for trending markets. So when you look at trending markets, they're more profitable because you're not going to stay longer in the market like when it's consolidating and stuff like that. Also, these markets are somehow, for those people who don't know what they're doing, they can mess up your account. You find out you be taking trades at the wrong points and it won't make sense for you. But if you take trades at the right points on a trending market, then you'll be doing yourself a good favor. So now, today, what I really wanted to stress out on is you really need to focus on one pair. You can have everything, but if you're all over the place, you're not going to be profitable as you think you're going to be profitable. Don't jump into what you see people trading. You need to understand yourself and you need to understand your risk appetite. You see people trading gold and they're profiting off gold. You see them posting gold, 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 gold. Then you want to follow the chain. Then you see others now posting NAS 100, NAS 100, and you also want to follow. You see people posting USD, JPY. You see people posting NZD, GDP, all these pairs. Then you also want to follow through, want to follow suit. It doesn't work like that. You see, these people are trading that. They're more focused. They're not out there looking for what other people are doing. They're focused on that. This is why you end up seeing those results. And if you just put that in mind and focus on one pair, believe me, other people are also going to follow what you're doing. It's not that your strategy is not working. It's just that you're looking for more. You have everything, but you're not content with what you have. You want to look for more. You want to be out there. There's no holy grail. There's no system which I can say it's 100%. 100% comes from you. Everything which is out there. I can have a system which is 99%, but that 1% comes from you. You see, for me, yeah, you see me profiting, you see me taking those sniper entries, you see me do all those things. It's because I'm focused. I'm not after what people are posting. I'm focused on what I have and what I've created. So, the moment you start focusing on that pair, believe me, everything's just going to change. Instead of you following what other people are doing, people are going now to start following you. They're going to see the results. The results are going to show. So don't be all over the place trying to look for things. When you see someone profiting, you see someone taking those multiple entries and all that, and you feel like, oh, you can also do the same. You can no, 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 no. Everyone has their limits. So set a limit yourself and make sure you set a daily target. That's going to help you not to overtrade. That's going to help you to keep it real. If you're going to be making $10 a day, focus on making those $10 a day. If you're going to be making $100 a day, focus on making those $100 a day. The reason why I'm saying this is because the market fluctuates. So the same time you're going to make at $10, it's not going to be the same time you're going to make at $100 tomorrow, that other day. It's not guaranteed. But yeah, the market does repeat itself. So so the reason why I'm saying you need to have a set target is because you're going to repeat that over and over again, and it's going to get in your mind and it's going to build your confidence. If you don't have a set target, so if you won't have a set target, if you won't have a set target, the problem is this. Today you want to make $10, tomorrow you make $100, that other day maybe you lose some or you gain some, like you're just going to be over the place. You see, you can make $500, then the other time you lose, you almost maybe blow your account, you lose half of your account, you go to 250. You see back and forth, moving back and forth. Like a set target is going to help you keeping it real and moving with the market. So that unrealistic target, it's going to have an effect on your trading psychology, and it's going to get you back until you're going to reach a point where you're going to say trading is a scam. And it's not a scam, it's just you doing the wrong things. So I'm here as a mentor telling you what works because we've been through all this. We've challenged ourselves from $1 to $80, from $1 all the way, $3 all the way, 3K, 10,000 US dollars. You see, all that works, but for you to achieve all those things, I've passed through everything. So for me to tell you this, and I'm not the only person who said this, my mentee is saying the same thing, that delivering the same message. Just focus. You see, I think I'll end here. I'll see you in the next video. Here's just some advice coming from me to you. So yeah, I'll I'll surely leave it here for now. See you in the next one.